Hi guys, welcome to yet another amazing video. Now in our last video we saw how to go about opening a free autoresponder account with Aweber. Now on this video we are going to see how you will be getting now the second part of the things that you need, which is a niche based affiliate product to promote. Now one of the best platforms to get this make money affiliate offers is WarriorPlus, and this is the market platform on which you are going to be getting paid with also, and so also collaborating with other vendors, so that you can not only sell their products, but if you get to that point whereby you're also launching your own products, they too can sell these products for you. So it's an amazing platform to be on, and an amazing place to make money online. So on this video we are going to see exactly how to go about opening your own free WarriorPlus account. Now I leave a link to it below, so simply just follow that link. You are going to land on this page, and once here simply just as you can see, the website is laid out very well. There's nothing to actually get confused about it. They are very quick when it comes to support and all that. So simply come on the, and then on this on the menu side, click on the free sign up button. This is going to bring you to another page whereby you're going to enter the name that you want to be associated with this account, your username. So in my case, let's go with Siva, then password, then email, then you can actually leave this on if you want, notify me of special offers and updates if you want. If you don't want, just have it turned off. So once you have everything set up like this, simply just click on create account button. Now this is going to actually create your account. As you see that you have to also, like we did with the Aweber, you have to also verify that link that has been sent to your email. So let's refresh. It's taking a little while to get through, so let's just wait for it. There we go. So as you can see, here's the confirmation link to complete the registration. So as you did the last time, I'm going to have this, going to verify this. Now once verified, we are going to log in. Now as you can see, now the account has been successfully created. So let's log in. As you can see, the process was very simple to open a free WarriorPlus account. Now from here we are going to go about and set up everything correctly. Now as you can see from here, since you've joined, if you want to sell your own products as a vendor, this link is going to take you to there. If you want to earn money as an affiliate, want to buy products and services, this is all the place. So when we click on want to make money, to earn money as an affiliate, you are going to get a very detailed post over here, whereby it's going to share with you a little bit of what WarriorPlus is all about and how you can actually get started. But to navigate quickly, just over on the affiliate side or option, drop down, and then simply you can click on offers. This is where you're going to get everything listed out for you. Now in our next video, we are going to see exactly how to go about finding an amazing affiliate product to promote. But basically, this is all that it takes to open a free WarriorPlus account. Now, as you can see from the menu side, we got the home section, top products, top affiliate products, how they are performing and all that, so that it is all a part of WarriorPlus, under the navigation, categories, alert, deal of the day, and if you are a vendor, once you come to get that point of being a vendor, here are your options. Now basically, this is what your affiliate account will look like on WarriorPlus. You've got today's top sellers, yesterday's, last 7 days, 30 days. As you can see, it's very easy to navigate. From here you can also come set up your wallet. You can actually see the activities, all the summary, the money and all that. At the account section, this is where you're going to have so many links for you to decide on what to do with your account. Can add your credit card billing details, phone number, address, can change password, increase the security of the account. And as you can see also over here, but this of the any other thing that you want to include, including the wallet and options over here, you are going to have all the freedom to set up your account just the way as you want it. So basically, this is it. Now as we go on with other future videos, we are going to see exactly how to navigate and to work within WarriorPlus. So basically, that's it for this video. On the dashboard side, this is where you're going to be getting the summary of everything, how your business is doing, the sales that you've made in that day, the previous day, last 7 days. From here you can have options, last month, 30 days, last week and all that. You can sort out your performance with all those options. But basically, this is where everything is going to be laid out for you. Over here you're going to be seeing a summary of how the hopes that you are sending, as an affiliate, to what offers. There's going to be listed over here, and once we start sending that traffic, that is going to start getting reflected. But basically, this is it. This is going to be the place where you are mostly going to be spending most of your time in seeing how your business is doing and all that, the clicks, what's converting and whatnot. On the start side, transactions. Once we start making money with this, you are going to start seeing all these things and how they apply. Now basically, this is all it takes to open a free WarriorPlus account, and some of the things that you need to know. In fact, there's not a whole lot. They've designed their website in such a way that it's easy to navigate, it's easy to find your way around. So as you've seen, just come to the account section, set up anything that you want, including the security, all that, integration. If you want to integrate anything, just come in, do so, just follow through and include anything that you'd want in there. So you can also edit your profile over here. This is where you are going to add your image, your full name, location, a little bio about yourself, some connection, some social media connections, your profiles on this social media channels. You can come in, just add your cover photo and all this, everything, anything that you want, for whenever you will be requesting to have your affiliate links approved. Now your vendors will be coming over here, seeing exactly what you are all about. This is going to increase that trust, and also it's going to make it easier for them to approve you. So this is all that it takes, and everything that you need to know about WarriorPlus at this point. So simply, click the link in the description below, come over on to WarriorPlus, open your account, and in the future videos we are going to see exactly how to go about operating within this platform. Now that's it for this video. I hope you found it valuable. If so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and turn up the notification so that you never miss any upload. Now until next time, happy earning.